Hello and welcome again to another episode of our late night reviews for adventure gear because we're leaving in the morning. So, Christina just gave me this pair of heating socks which she found online, and I figured I might as well, since it says for winter. It says for winter, so that's interesting, and in my mind already I'm thinking like this is going to be heavy and how useful is it going to be, and this is probably going to take a review over time versus just opening it up and showing it off. So let's do that first part. Let's open it up, and I've got both of them here already. One's actually already open and set up, but might as well start from scratch in terms of how the battery actually looks like once you open it. So as you open it, it's only got two pieces, well, the box included. So you've got that, the manual, a quick, not really a manual as much as like maintenance information and washing information, but that's it. Let me set this aside, and you've got a box which includes the charger, and that's empty, and two batteries. Now these, you see that they're lighted up because I had just finished charging them. So I don't know what pressing this is. I believe that this the warmth of it. If it's anything like the Aurora jacket vest, which I recently reviewed, then this would be your heat level. That should be full, and one is your lowest setting, and then long press would turn it off, right? So similar with this. So as you see, it's already, that's already dead. I swear I charged these the same time. Oh, there we go. All right. Well, one of them just doesn't turn off automatically. So there's 3 levels, and then long press to turn the thing off. Right, do not forget to turn it off after charging it. And again, this charger is I believe a USB type B, so it's not a C, and it connects via USB A, the larger USB port, and it connects to, and it splits. It's a USB A splitter to USB B's. I hope you can see that. It's not a C, right? And it connects to this side of this battery. So already you know that there is an actual rechargeable battery inside this. And the way it works is that on the other side, so that's actually looks squarish, but that's actually a circle within there. So I think this is quite similar to the Aurora design, but only in sock form. So very familiar in how to get that running. And I also thought that it would be one of those plastics you would tear up, but it's actually in a Ziploc bag. So good job on that. So it's only a quick 5% upgrade on expected quality. It also comes only in one size. So while this may fit me just perfectly as a regular sock, there's my hand there, just for scale. And there's the phone, maybe. This is a Pixel XL, just for scale. All right. So, and how does the sock work? Well, you wear the sock, and you wear the sock, and you've got this cable there, and on the, I believe on the, either on the inside or the outside, you can insert, it's got a small pocket there. This is where you slip this battery in, that way, right? And you carry it with you. I don't know. Obviously it is the weight of a rechargeable battery plus the plastic casing housing, right? So let's try it on. I mean, even without, and I will directly, even without, there we go. It's plugged like I thought. It's actually circular. That's circular. So in there, would have been unique if it were square, actual squarish. And then you set the level. You got to turn it on. Right now it's high, medium, low. It's got letters high, medium, low. So it's on high right now. And I'm going to put this in its pocket. Let's see how that will look like. All right, okay. I can see how you probably want to like twirl this around so that it's not just hanging like that. There, that's how I would have worn it of sorts. And then even without putting it on my foot, let's see what the high does and where does the heat go. Try to feel for where if there is a cable. There is a cable over here. Let me put my hand inside here and see if I feel any warmth going on. Oh boy, I do feel some warmth, and it is inside. It's not outside. I already feel it here. So how about if we reverse this and reverse it while it's running, right? We're gonna do this experiment, might as well test, might as well do it right. Okay, there you go, slipped all out. Right, so the wires actually do not show as I see. You actually don't see the wires. They're actually inside this padding. I feel some warmth here, so maybe it will work over time. And these socks are really thick socks too, so that should help over time. So it will warm the tips of your toes. But that's the only parts where I think the warmth will be. So there's the bunch of cables here that's warming, and then the length of the cable that runs down here, but no other place of where the warmth is. So most of the warmth is going to your toes, the tips of your toes, which is usually, I guess, the coldest part, tips of your toes. Warm them, but it's not awfully warm. Remember, this is set to high. If I keep on pressing, go to low, I don't see much of a difference. I feel it probably weaker, but it's not immediate. So let me go to high, right? So I don't know over time if this will actually work, but right now, since my foot is not inside of it, it's kind of different. So, but there, that is a quick review of this winter sock here as the package, and I will come back with a follow-up review after actually using it, or if there was a reason for me to or not to use it during this camping trip. So thanks for tuning in, watching this video. Click a like or dislike. Plus, please do subscribe so I can get some other things going on with this channel. So apparently I'm locked into a specific tier that I will need before I can progress. So thanks for helping me out in doing so. All right, thanks and bye.